Yo, I'm Nez, and I'm up in the kitchen dropping another review on y'all. And this time, what we're gonna be doing review of is the the Whiskware blender bottle. Basically, it's the all-in-one batter mixer. Here's a little bit of the artwork. Now, let me just take it out of this bag real quick. This is how it was shipped to me. Keep in mind, some parts of this I'm doing one-handed, so kind of bear with me if you can, please. As always, take this out the bag here. Move that to the side. Okay. Bam. That's what she looks like. And as you see right here, it's Whiskware blender bottle. Batter mixer all-in-one pancake solution. It's a little bit of artwork on some of the things it's used for. Come around the back side right here. The logo again. Some more information about it. Don't mind that. That's my little niece in the background. She's visiting from PA. Some more info on this bad boy. A little bit more info. And there goes your barcode down there. So let's get all up in this bad boy. I'm gonna set this down for a second while I open this up. Take this off like that. Okay. Got this right here. A little bit of instructions on this bad boy. You know how I feel about that. You know I ain't reading any of that. Some more of their products right there. There's like a little mixer, the little mixer ball that goes inside here to help blend all your things. Let's take this off. Okay, open this up. A spongy little ball there. Springy little ball, I should say. Put this inside there. It's good that the bottom comes off. It's for easy cleaning. Got your little Whiskware, logo on there. And that's what it looks like inside there. You got your little nozzle here to right there, so you can squeeze the stuff out. It's silicone. It's saying that it's rated up to 500 degrees. So you could like literally sit this right on the pan, the frying pan, and it should be no problem. And seal it back up for storage. So you could literally make a whole thing of batter and store it in the refrigerator until next time you want to use it. Shake it up a little bit, and you're good to go. You see, this bad boy, when you're filling it up, it's saying the base acts like a stand, so that way it's easy to fill it up. It's 4 cups, as you can see there, or 1,000 milliliters, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna say it's more like 4.5 cups. Yeah, 4.5 cups, 1,000 milliliters. Yeah, you can focus in on that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is while we're in here, it's easy to squeeze. Seems like it's pretty durable. All right, so what I'm gonna do, put that in there, and I already have some stuff set up here to make some pancakes. Got my little recipe of my pancake mix, a little bit of cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg, and water. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump a little bit of water in here. I'm gonna dump the pancake mix in. And spill some as usual. If you ain't making a mess, you ain't really cooking. Alright, and then put some more water on the other side. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back on. Everything's on tight. And hopefully the ball will do its thing. Mix it all up for me. Right before your very eyes. Check the consistency of this bad boy. And that's about your consistency right there. See that? Not bad. Not bad at all. It looks like it's all mixed up pretty well. So, right then and there, that's a good thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this back up. And when we come back in on the flip, we're going to make some pancakes. So see you on the flip. Okay, we back in. We got the griddle all heated up. Might be a little bit too hot, but that's okay. Turned down. Got our, got our Whiskware here. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up the cap. Kind of shot out on me there. And make some pancakes. Let's go. And I imagine this will probably be good for cupcakes too. Maybe I should have made it a little bit looser. It's all right. Close that up. So as you see, this thing is pretty effective with what it does. Now, obviously, I could have made it a little bit looser, and that would have been better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little more water to this for my next batch. But and then I'm gonna come back in and we're gonna show it again. All right. So I'll see you back on the flip. Okay, we back in. Add a little bit more water, loosen it up a little bit. Let's go for round two. Yeah, there we go. That's how it's supposed to be, like that. And look how effortless that was. Look how effortless that was. Now imagine if everybody made pancakes is that simple. Spray a little bit on the top. Let that cook up. And that's how you use the Whiskware batter mixer. So I would say for the price, definitely, I mean, me personally, I've seen some other ones out there that were about half the price of this, but you don't get all the extra features like the silicone top that can withstand 500 degrees. You don't get the features where it opens up on a top and bottom, and the bottom can be used as a stand for it. I mean, those extra little details warrant the additional price. But if you're just looking for something simple like this that can, mix pancakes, there's some that I've seen for half the price of this. And then you could buy little metal balls. You get them in like a 6-pack for like $5, and you still come out cheaper than this. Because this was on Amazon for $20. So it's worth the $20 in this if this is what you're looking for. But if you're looking for a cheaper version, they have some for $10. And then, like I said, you buy the balls for like $5-6, and you're at $16 right there. And you got 5 extra balls. So this is still not a bad price for this. So I would recommend this. If you're into something like this will make your job of making pancakes, and you could probably even use it. I'm sure you could probably use it for cupcakes. It'll make that job that much easier. I'm gonna say cop this. So with that being said, I'm Nez. I'm up in the kitchen. This has been a review of the Whiskware batter mixer, and I'm out this piece. About to get in these pancakes, baby.